Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing a skipping baking method in order to lift your face. Now this is going to take just a teeny tiny few minutes, in fact a few seconds, but I'm just going to show you the points in your face that you need to highlight so that you don't gotta bake everywhere and waste any time. So all you gotta do is keep on watching. So guys, there's only a few key points on your face that you can highlight in order to bring you this whole kind of lift. Now, the inner corner of your eyes, this area here is going to snatch your face. Your chin, if it's small, you're going to want to highlight it so that it can be shown. The tip of your nose, as well as the exact same things on this side and your forehead. So your T-zone area is always the area that needs to be covered. Like you need to show out that area because that's the area that brings out your face, regardless of the shape. I was going to say regardless of the face, regardless of the shape of your face, you're going to definitely want to bring out your T-zone. Now all you need to do is just grab on your powder to bake and a little teeny tiny brush. I was just about to bake and I was like, you know what, why not tell you guys this hack? So guys, in my mirror here, I've got a mirror here. It's not dirty. I don't know why on camera it looks dirty. Okay, it is dirty, but let's just pretend it's not dirty. Grab your brush. So this is actually face sculpting. It's not just baking. So if you're thinking that it's baking, no, this is face sculpting. It's just bringing out the lift in your face. Thereafter, you want to go in here. A little bit on the chin. The nose area. The forehead you can just make a V. So have a look at this side and see this side. So what I'm going to do is just go in and sculpt the side as well. So I told you it's the under eyes. Then in the corner. Then here. Ooh, what happened here? Now the forehead, really, the chin. So guys, now we're going in with a fluffy brush and we are just removing everything off the face. Whatever was there, just remove. As you see, I applied everything very lightly, so there's like nothing that's actually there, and it's so easy to dust off. And you are done. So guys, this video is that if you are not really into baking and you just want a lift. Other than that, you can just go in and continue doing your baking, but if you're like in a hurry and you just want to tackle a few areas, this is the areas that you need to tackle. So this is going to help you sculpt your face. It's going to actually bring out the points that you want. So even if you don't do baking at all, We just want these key points to be outstanding. This is what you gotta do. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out, guys.